Sige, Rita.
Ano sabihin ko? This is, Pero kay mo, yan may talent.
Right. Diba na, ubusan na ako raway.
Ubusan na yung raway. Sabi mo?
El Tabang Card.
Kasi yan, this is territory niya. Oo, may imod ako. Oo, sila yan. Territory.
With bangkas over there.
Bangkas?
No.
Yeah. Nice na bangkas.
With cottages over here.
Okay, look at that. It's very beautiful.
Yeah. And the dagat is there.
Makatusan. Whatever.
The sun is brightly shining. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. And the two there are hubog.
Sabog yan?
Yes ba?
Malang ba?
Hands up, play my song.
Ito tabi si Jenny yung nagkakanta.
Yeah, it's me. You're looking for. Wow.
YouTube kinis.
Ay, mga mayo mo sini. Mga magayong kamo. Sa YouTube ko. Ang manonood ng video na ito ay mamatay na. Abangan.
Talagang i-review talaga. Kaya kung mamamatay na talaga.
Sa friends ko, diba pwede mag-ano ha? Pwede mag-ano ng video?
Oo.
Ano?
Oo, makang tapos.
Ha? I-ano mga mo sa YouTube?
Wala pag-one sa YouTube.
Ma-sign up ka muna.
Sign up ay ba?
Okay.
Okay. This is the beautiful Bulan.
The beautiful ng the sister of Buge.
It's located there.
You can locate over there the sister of Rosalie.
Really?
Yeah, over there. Look. Eklabon. Silverness. Congratulations.
Congrats.
From the Greek word.
From the Greek word, Albert Butalon.
Hello,
Albert from the Greek word. Albert Einstein, which means memory of the book.
Main memory of the book.
Kung nadali na hay.
I am gonna put this on YouTube.
Hindi mo kayo mo ba din mo na ang ulan?
Sige. This is Bulan Sorsogon.
Bulan Campus. May dagat sa
Big.
Bulan Campus.
Bulan is so very, very